Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Straight Review, the channel where I give you the real truth about products, straight to the point. Today I'm reviewing EzyAbsorb Berberine, a supplement that claims to help regulate blood sugar, support weight loss, and improve overall health. Does it actually work? Is it worth buying? Stick around and I'll tell you everything you need to know. I'll cover what it is, what it does, the pros, cons, and my final verdict based on real use. EzyAbsorb Berberine is a natural dietary supplement that contains berberine HCl 500 milliliters, a compound derived from plants that's been studied for its powerful health benefits. According to the manufacturer, this product supports healthy blood sugar levels, weight management, insulin sensitivity, heart and metabolic health. It's also non-GMO, gluten-free, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility in the USA. Here's what I liked about EzyAbsorb Berberine after using it for a few weeks. Stable energy. I felt less fatigue, especially after meals. Appetite control. Helped reduce sugar cravings. Improved digestion. Noticeable gut health benefits. Clean label. No fillers, no junk ingredients. Affordable for a premium formula. Good price for 120 capsules. But of course it's not perfect. Here's what I didn't love. Takes time. You need to be consistent. It took me 10 plus days to notice changes. Not for everyone. Some people might experience mild digestive upset at first. Limited to online purchase only. Not available in local stores or pharmacies. So, is EzyAbsorb Berberine worth your money? In my opinion, yes. If you're looking for a natural and science-backed solution to support blood sugar levels and metabolic health, this is a solid option. I recommend it for adults managing prediabetes, metabolic issues, or simply wanting a natural way to improve energy and digestion. But it's not for you if you're looking for instant results or can't commit to daily use. Final score, 9 out of 10. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. The official link to EzyAbsorb Berberine is in the description below. Make sure to buy from the official website to avoid fake products. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried berberine or any supplement for blood sugar support? What worked for you?